Hello viewers, welcome to channel. Kevin Costner and his ex-wife Christine Baumgartner were convincing in their evidence during a recent child support hearing during their protracted divorce, according to the judge. After the Oscar-winning actor and Baumgartner made testimony to the court over the course of 2 days in California Superior Court in Santa Barbara last week, Judge Thomas P. Anderl stated in a court document reviewed by People on Tuesday that he deemed both of them to be believable. Caden Hayes and Grace Baumgartner, a handbag designer and Field of Dreams star, have 3 kids together. The judge on Friday issued a ruling that aligned with Costner's requests, awarding Baumgartner $63,209 in monthly child support, which is less than half of the $161,592 she was asking for. In the hearing, the judge said in court docs that Baumgartner showed good courtroom demeanor and that he found her testimony to be credible. Baumgartner's testimony, while straightforward, was not much help on the issue before the bench, the judge said, adding that he would weigh her testimony with all the evidence in this case. Judge Anderl said that ahead of viewing the materials, he recognized Costner as a professional actor and weighed that in the decision-making process when judging his credibility. The judge said he didn't believe Costner embellished any of his testimony by relying on his profession, saying that it was straightforward, credible, and consistent. Costner and Baumgartner made strong closing arguments, the judge said. The judge said that the reasonable needs of the children are fully met by this child support order are met in the ruling he issued, and that any amount more would essentially be disguised spousal support. Baumgartner will have her opportunity to convince the court that she is entitled to spousal support, the judge said, adding that it was not the issue at hand for this hearing. Baumgartner testified that a significant loss in income would have an influence on the quality of their children's life. After leaving the house she had lived with Costner, she claims she is being conservative by renting a house for $40,000 per month. She told the judge, "I have been very unsure what I will get and what the outcome of this case will be." After looking at legal documents, People reported on Wednesday that Baumgartner claimed in paperwork submitted to California Superior Court last month that the actor had concealed information in the case. Since their divorce, Baumgartner and Costner have engaged in public spats over how she has chosen to live. Baumgartner has been requesting documents outlining his future endeavors and anticipated income for work on the upcoming film series Horizon, among other things. Baumgartner requested the court order Costner to share the documents requested. Baumgartner's legal team said Costner has been stonewalling them in regards to sharing pertinent info with a child support hearing slated for next week, and one in November that will scrutinize the premarital agreement in the case. Baumgartner has said she felt under pressure to sign the prenup, which awards her a $1.5 million payout in the event of the marriage ending. In legal docs, Baumgartner's lawyers said that Costner has requested a multi-day evidentiary hearing on Baumgartner's request for child support, at which time the court will receive evidence regarding Costner's gross cash flow available for support and anticipated future income. The attorneys said that the court will need to receive evidence regarding those circumstances to make its determination, but that Baumgartner will be unable to present any evidence that Costner has chosen to withhold from discovery. The actor, who made around $20 million in 2022, said he will make substantially less money since he has stepped away from the series Yellowstone. Baumgartner's legal team asked for information detailing Horizon, noting that such documents evidence his future endeavors and anticipated income, and said Costner's team has withheld them. Baumgartner's legal team cited materials they said depicted Costner's lawyers resisting a request to turn over the documents detailing his potential earnings with Horizon. According to a lawyer for the actor from Bull Durham, The request seeks documents that are not relevant, given the parties entered into a prenuptial agreement that provided for a limitation on spousal support and providing that all income earned during marriage would be the separate property of the spouse earning the income and providing for no community property. Some of the requests, according to Costner's attorney, were burdensome, oppressive, and harassing. According to Baumgartner's legal team, Costner's team did provide some of the necessary files, but stopped short of disclosing any information on Horizon.